Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add a local user to administrator group in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click User Accounts. Click Manager another account. Michelle is local account, we can change to Michelle to administrator group. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. NetSpace local group. Space administrators space. Username space /add. Exit from command prompt. Michelle is changed to administrator group. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.